Hello and thank you for tuning in to the Black Hat Bushcraft channel. Today I wanted to do a quick announcement about a blog/website that I published online this past week. And the address for it is blackhatbushcraft.wordpress.com. And this site is going to become like the central hub for all things Black Hat Bushcraft. There's links there for all of my social media, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and there's even a link there for my Amazon influencer page. If you click on the link to the Amazon influencer page, you'll see that I've comprised a lot of different lists there of different types of gear that I use. And these lists include everything from tools to clothing, but they're all items, again, that I personally own and have found to be of good quality, and I feel comfortable to recommend these items to you. If you choose to shop through my Amazon influencer link, then it does benefit me very slightly, maybe pennies on the dollar, and any support's greatly appreciated. But whether you choose to shop through my link or not, I still wanted to put those lists out there so you could see, again, items that I personally own, have used, and feel comfortable to recommend to you. There'll also be some very original information that'll be published on this site, and that'll come in the form of articles. And in the past week, I've already published 2 articles there, one of them on the Mora Garberg knife, and the other one information on how to disinfect water in the field. And I hope to, at least on a bi-weekly, if not weekly basis, continue to publish these articles on the site. And the reason I'm doing that is because there's a lot of times where I'm not able to get out into the field during the day and film videos when it's suitable to do so, but rather I have time at night where I can share information, and I think the best way to do that is in the form of an article. So again, I'll be sharing information there regularly, and I'll be doing everything from gear reviews to skills, just whatever comes across my mind that I want to share with the community. This will be an outlet that I can do that. I also know that by publishing this information, I can get feedback from you guys, and that'll help me to continue to learn as I'm sharing with others. So again, I'm very excited about this new page, and again, it's going to be the central hub for all the things that are published under the Black Hat Bushcraft title, and there'll be a lot of upgrades and a lot of information coming on this site as time goes. So I hope that you guys will go and check out my new site. There is a link there to contact me through that site, so feel free to drop me a line with any feedback or any ideas that you guys may have. And I appreciate all of your support and interest, and I will definitely be back here with another video again very soon. And until that next one, take care and God bless.